Hello, my name is Alec. I'm the Technical Manager at Quelfire. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the brand new tested details that we have. Now, last year we talked about the new tested detail of our fire bat being used under raised access floors. Here's an example here. One of the unique things is it's not just only protecting the cavity. With our solutions, you're allowed surface penetrations through them. So, for example, here we have the cable basket with cables running through the fire bat. One of the things we were reached out for was to find a solution then for what's called sort of like an underfloor busbar. And here's an example here, which would then be typically found in these sort of areas. So we didn't have a solution for this service. We had the solution for the raised access floor. So we needed to do something. And I can tell you now that we have now a solution. So if you need information on this, you can reach out to our technical team. But quite simply, we have two options. One, where it just goes directly through the fire bat and is simply sealed with QuelStop Acrylic Sealant. And that can provide up to a certain fire rating. If you do want a higher insulation fire resistant rating, we have another detail where you just simply add some ablative coating. It's the same coating that's used on the fire bat, just used to extend to a certain distance on the buzz bar itself, just to help increase that heat protection. Both of these details are available on our website and in our Quell Selector version 4, or again, you can reach out to Quelfire's technical team. The contact information will appear on the screen now.